teach him how.
Where's the tail for the sheep?
This is easy.
Go help Mason.
I think it's this.
Mason needs help, right?
Trying to find the tail for the sheep. Where's the
You can't do it. It's a power law. No, it's like it's not like I can't do it fast.
Like you
Like,
can.
it's gonna take
It's
2 hours. It's because Ryan's helping. Here it is. It goes like this. Where's the tail?
It is a train.
Over here. What? What?
He's scooting.
It goes this way. Like this. Correct?
He said yes. That's his yes.
Okay.
Ugh. Which one is
Which one is the train? That one.
Yeah, that's right. He's right.
Some of these are mixed up.
What's missing?
I don't think they're mixed up, are they?
Yeah, this is supposed to go for the train, but it's in here.
Oh. Oh yeah, you're right.
Oh, wait. Is there triangle?
Yeah, you're right. They are kind of mixed up.
Triangle.
Triangle?
Yeah, what's wrong with the triangle? Okay, so I'll just
Oh,
take
is that how you?
both of these out and see.
Look what shape the train has on the other side.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Right, and what shape is the train? Look on the other side. Square. So even Uncle's getting into it.
A diamond.
Here, what about this one, right?
Oh, good. Yeah, they put the thing on the thing on the thing on the thing.
I think that one's wrong, right?
That one's wrong.
Yeah, there you go. Not me, that you did it wrong.
That was wrong, Mason.
There you go. Good job.
You find it?
It's a team effort.
You find it?
No, it's those stairs.
Mason,
did you
Ryan
guys-
had it right.
Hey, did you guys pack?
I did. We didn't bring anything.
Huh?
We didn't bring anything.